Hello my friends, this is the video that I made on Alibaba just 8 days ago, to be exact on August the 12th of this year, when the price of this asset was, as you can see right here, at $125.78. And at this point, my main assumption was that this asset could form the 5-wave structure in the shape of a leading first wave diagonal, and in this case it had to hold this line as the line of support. It had to hit higher price target, and then it had to have this type of 3-wave structure to the downside. In this case, guys, we could expect the trend continuation to the upside, but for now, take a look right here. Right after I made my previous video, this asset broke this level of support, and this level of support started to be a level of resistance. And take a look right here. We have an intersection of two resistance levels of $130, the line that was the previous level of support and resistance in previous months, and we still had this line as the level of resistance. On top of that, guys, this asset retested several times this yellow line, this one, and this line became another very strong level of resistance. For now, right after this earnings report that was not so successful, the price had a substantial volatility, and on pre-market session it is in red by 4.3%. So, and as you can see, technical analysis works perfectly well. Unfortunately, we don't have the confirmation of the pattern that might lead us to the bull trend. But on today's video, I will show you what should we expect next. And if you want to know more about technical analysis, if you want to enhance your trading skills, feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel and join my Patreon account. And guys, this is the post that I wrote on January the 30th. It is a public post that you can find on my Patreon. It is pretty much all trade alerts that I made from December the 1st to January the 30th. These are the results of these alerts. You can see that all of the trades were in profit except this one on December 19th. TRWV hit a stop loss order, and we've lost about 1.33% on this trade, but all other trades are in green. That is why you can use these trades in your personal trades as a part of your due diligence. So guys, you've seen many of my trade calls, all delivering strong returns in just hours. Now it's your turn to trade smarter. Join my Safe Haven Patreon tier, built for traders who want consistency, structure, and real results. You will get a detailed plan to protect your portfolio, monthly one-on-one Zoom sessions with me, and private Discord access with all trade alerts, lessons, and exclusive updates. And here is the best part. If you don't earn more than your subscription price within 30 days, you will receive a full refund, no question asked, as long as your trading account balance is at least $2,500 and you've taken all the recommended trades during the period. No excuses, no fine print. You profit or you don't pay. Join today and let's start building your edge in the market.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
So guys, and let's begin with the general sentiment related to Alibaba stock and the main news that happened basically just yesterday before market opens. You can see that they published their earnings report, and they missed EPS by 16%, and they beat the revenue by 0.18%. And guys, in general, if you take a look right here, wait a second, this is their earnings report. It is it is quite interesting because, first of all, they have an increase in revenue by 9% year over year. It is a very good number, but the main reason why they have the substantial decline in its price right after the report was published, let me switch to 1 minute time frame. And take a look right here. Right after the report was published, it had a substantial decline in its price. Then it bounced back, another leg to the downside. And during the yesterday's trading session, it gained back all the losses. But for now, at the overnight trading hours, you can see that it is lost half of them. And yes, unfortunately, we have this type of very harsh volatility during these events, and I will show you what should we expect next. What are the catalysts that drove the price lower? First of all, it is a decrease of 75% year-over-year net income. And for now, they have $1.539 billion of net income. And yes, in general, it is a very good number, but if you take a look right here, this is the June quarterly summary financial results, and all of the results have a negative change year-on-year basis. The only parameter that had growth is revenue. And yes, unfortunately, they are losing some momentum in terms of their sales and their net income. But take a look right here. This is the segment, June quarter segment results. And here you can see the highest improvement of 45% is related to AI cloud and compute services. And yes, their AI cloud service is the main contributor to their growth. And because of these guys, they have to hold the line and they have to invest in this segment in order to stay afloat for the upcoming quarters. And that is why, guys, wait a second, I will show you right here the decline of 75%. Here, let me go to this. Net income attribute to ordinary shareholders was $1.553 billion. Net income was $1.539 billion, a decrease of 75% year-over-year, primarily attributable to the decrease in income from operations, decrease in net gains from disposal of investments, and the decrease in net gain from mark-to-market changes of our equity investments. So guys, they invested a lot in order to hold their cloud service at the very high level of its competitiveness, and definitely when the decline, this type of capex happens, it is not so favorable for investors. That is why, guys, we have a decline in its price. And well, let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, in order to conclude that this asset is in its upcoming uptrend, we have to see, as I mentioned, 5-wave structure in different shapes and 3 waves retracement to the downside. And for now, guys, as you can see, we don't have the breakout above this top, which is not the best sign, because on other hand, we might have this as our A, B and C wave to the upside that should be followed by 5 waves to the downside. In this case, guys, if this bottom, if this asset breaks $120 mark, let me mark this line as a horizontal level of support. If it breaks this to the downside and if it retests this sloping yellow line again, we might see the breakout to lower levels, unfortunately. But from the technical standpoint, we are losing momentum. And yes, the upcoming several sessions will be crucial for Alibaba, because it will be the fight between bulls and bears in order to hold their lines. If bulls defend 120 or $121 mark, in this case it will be a very substantial improvement in its price, but the bears should hold this line, $130, which means, guys, we have 2 crucial levels of support and resistance. The breakout above this one of $130.25 or below this one of $126 mark will indicate the upcoming trend in the same direction. That is why, guys, be cautious with your position, wait for more confirmation, and the breakout will definitely happen within next several trading sessions. So I think that's all information that I want to provide you. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed.